Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how does encryption protect data at rest and in transit in virtual data rooms and Google Cloud. So encryption is a fundamental security measure that helps protect data both at rest and in transit in virtual data room and cloud environments like Google Cloud. Here's how encryption works to safeguard your data. Data at rest encryption. Number one, what is it? Data at rest encryption refers to the process of encrypting data when it is stored on physical or digital storage device, such as hard drive, service, or cloud storage. Number two, how it works. When data is at rest, it typically stored in an encryption format. Encryption algorithms transform the plain text data into ciphertext using encryption keys without the description keys. The data remains unreadable and secure. The management key management. Proper key management is crucial for data at rest encryption. Encryption keys must be securely stored and managed to ensure that authorized user can decrypt and access the data when necessary, while unauthorized user cannot. Number four, benefit. Data at rest encryption protect against authorized access to physical storage device. Even if someone were gain physical access to the storage medium, they would not be able to read the encrypted data without the decryption key. So in the context of virtual data rooms and Google Cloud, data at rest encryption is typically managed by cloud server provider. Google Cloud, for example, other robust encryption feature including side encryption, which means data is encrypted on Google's servers before it is stored. Data in transit encryption. What is it? So, data in transit encryption involves securing data as it travels between different device or location over a network, such as internet. Number two, how is it works when data is in transit? It vulnerable to encryption by malicious actors. Encryption protocol like TLS, SSL are used to encrypt data before it leaves the sender and decrypt it upon arrival at the recipient. In this ensures that data is protected during transmission. Number three, key exchange. Secure the exchange mechanism are used to establish secure communication channel between the sender and receiver. This ensures that only the intended recipient can decrypt the data. Number four, benefits. Data in transit encryption prevents in eavesdropping and man in the middle attacks. It ensures that even if someone intercept the data while it is transit, they won't be able to decipher it without the encryption keys. In the case of virtual data room, the VDR provider typically implements data in transit encryption and secure the transit of sensitive document and encryption between user. Google Cloud also offer encryption in transit for data transfer and from services. In summary, encryption is critical component of data security both at rest and transit. It ensures that even if authorized parties gain access to your data, they won't be able to read our or use it without any encryption key. This is fundamental security measure for protecting data in virtual data room and cloud. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video.